Hello everybody. This is the third and the last part of the lesson about how animals interact with each others. So there are many other different ways that could be used by certain animals to survive. So some of these adaptations involve interaction between organisms. Organisms can interact in different ways. They could be either in a helpful way or it could be in a harmful way. So interactions, there are two types of interactions: helpful interaction and harmful interaction. And as we discussed before, that harmful interaction, in a harmful interaction, one animal will be hurted while the second one will be helped. For example, the fleas, as we said before, that the fleas will live in the fur of the mammals or in the hair of the mammals. These fleas will lay their eggs inside the fur. They will find shelter and they will start taking the blood of this mammal. So, which is bad for the mammal, of course, because the mammal will start losing its fur or hair, and the fleas, they could be helped in laying their eggs. So the mammals get rid itchy skin. Scratching can cause the skin, and they will lose their hair. So one of them will be hurted, and the second one will be helped. This kind of interaction is called harmful interaction, because one animal will be hurted and the second one will be helped. The second type is the helpful interaction. Why? Because both animals will be helped. They will get the benefits of this interaction. For example, we have the turtle and the fish. As we know that the shell of the sea turtles will be covered with algae. Sometimes they could be covered with algae. Later on, the fish will try and start taking or eating this algae. Both of them, they will have the benefits of this interaction. How is that? The fish will get its food. In the same time, the turtle, they will have a clean shell or a clean cover. For that, it's helpful for both animals. So for that, it's called a helpful interaction. The second example about the helpful interaction, as we took it before, the Egyptian plover bird and the alligators, which both of them interact together in a helpful way. How is that? As we said before, that this alligator, it will open its mouth, and in the same time the bird will start taking the remainings of the food that are stuck in the teeth of the alligator. So when the alligator or the crocodile opens its mouth, the bird will start taking this remaining food or the leeches. In this way, both of them are helped. For that, it's called a helpful interaction, because both animals are being helped. For that, it's called helpful interaction.